Banal. Ito naman si Hidalgo, napansin natin, medyo hesitant, pumapasok pero walang suntok na kasama. At telegraph yung suntok nitong si Hidalgo. So dito pala nakikita na natin yung tentativeness ni Hidalgo. The loophole in his stance. He would come in with a wild left, wide open. And Banal still following with that southpaw jab. Using the right of the jab to set up the left. At ito po, tingnan po natin. Very patient AJ Banal. There's the left getting in. At mukhang walang masyadong fight plan si Hidalgo dito. Rather than, sort of just coming in, throwing some leather, dumidistansya siya, walang opensang ipinapakita si Hidalgo dito sa sequence na ito. Allowing that left of Banal to come in. There's another left from AJ Banal. Ayan, napansin po ninyo, malamya yung kanan ni Hidalgo. That right hand of Hidalgo is so weak, so anemic, that it sets up the left hand of Banal perfectly. Look at the way Hidalgo will throw that right hand in slow motion halos eh. Pagmasdan po ninyo, kung bumitaw si Hidalgo, medyo anemic yun, anemic ang kanyang mga suntok. Parang walang bad intention, sabi nga nila. Unlike AJ Banal, that left hand is ready for the big one. There's a low blow. And referee Tapdasan immediately calling the attention of AJ Banal. No harm done. The harm will come after that low blow. Tingnan po ninyo. There's the big left. And you can see Hidalgo losing his senses. And referee Tapdasan giving him the opportunity to regain the equilibrium sa kanyang legs, pero wala talaga. That was a solid left. That, ibang klase. Parang may homing device yung kaliwang yun eh. Finding the temple of Hidalgo. Hidalgo complaining but to no avail. Tama lamang po ang naging pagpigil sa labang ito.
Sama sa mic.